Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm learning and teaching Excel logical functions using a real worksheet. I'm still a beginner, and I believe learning out loud helps all of us grow together. So let's start. On my screen, I have a simple employee table. We have name, salary, division, and age. This is the kind of data you'll find in offices, schools, and businesses. Our goal is to let Excel make decisions for us. For example, is someone senior or not? Is the salary low, medium, or high? Do certain conditions match or not? If function, senior or not. Let me start with the IF function. If someone's age is 50 or above, we call them senior. If D350 senior, this formula says, if age is 50 or more, write senior. If not, leave it blank. Notice how Excel automatically applies the logic to other rows and function, multiple conditions. Now let's check two conditions at the same time using AND. If salary is above 50,000 and age is above 40, Excel should return true, and B3 5,000, D3 40, and only returns true if both conditions are true, or function, either condition. Now let's use OR. OR means at least one condition must be true, or say rad is RDD. If the division is rad or RDD, Excel returns true, nested if. Salary level. This is very important and commonly tested. Salary, 20,000, low. Salary, hori, 60,000. Medium. Salary above 60,000, high. If B3, do low. If B 6,000, medium at high. This is called a nested if, an EF inside another EF. Excel checks the salary step by step and assigns the correct level. One thing that helped me as a beginner is reading formulas like English. If this is true, do this. If not, do something else. Common beginner mistakes. If your formula doesn't work, check brackets. Check quotation marks. Make sure the cell references are correct. Why this matters. With this knowledge, you can build grading systems, salary systems, bonus calculations, decision dashboards. Today we used if, and, or, nested if, all on a real Excel sheet. If you're also learning Excel like me, subscribe so we grow together. Like the video if this helped you. See you in the next lesson.